Today we will actually work on the change design of a presentation, how to change the background color of a slide and how to setting image as a watermark. This is our topic today. Okay, so let us open first of all the PowerPoint. Alright, so we are doing it PowerPoint, PowerPNT. As I had shown you yesterday also that how to open the PowerPoint easily. So this is the best way to open the PowerPoint application. Okay, so once the PowerPoint application will open, we will get a slide on it. Okay, as we can see out here. Okay, now see, it will be appearing shortly. Okay, so first of all, while doing the changing the background color, you can do it in two ways, either by right clicking or by using the background styles button present in the background group on the design tab. That is the thing. So you have got this particular slide out here. You can take a blank slide also in order to understand the effect properly, and here you can see the layouts. Okay, this is the one. So the blank slide has been chosen for this. Okay, so and the effect has been taken place. Now what is actually to do, you can do it in right clicking. First of all, I am showing you, click on format background. Okay, in both cases you will get the format background dialog box. Okay, so any fill you can go for gradient fill, picture fill. First I will showing you the gradient fill. Okay, gradient fill having the different colors combination. You can choose the different styles also. Okay, radial, okay, and all. Okay, preset colors are also available over here. Any color you can choose. Okay, any style you can choose. Okay, rectangular you can choose like this. All right, so now what is happening, you can apply to all, then all the slides will be appearing on this way, and then click on close, and if you want to change it, you can reset background also could be done. All right, so that is the thing. So now solid, this thing actually whenever you want to change the color, you can change the color also, you can close. So the particular slide has been changed. Okay, the background color has been changed. Okay, so another way, I am inserting a slide by pressing Ctrl M. All right, so the slide has been inserted. Now what I will do, I will just do the background styles button present in the background group in the design tab. So let us go to the design tab and see, here is the background styles button is there under the background group. Okay, this is the background group. You can see the place where I have kept the mouse pointer, and here the background styles are also available. From here also you will get the same format background dialog box. All right, that is the thing. Okay, so what is happening, format background you can go for, or you can choose the preset already. Okay, so you can go to the color also. So here are being lot of colors also. This is the more colors, standard colors. If you want to choose, you can choose from here. Either you do that or you choose the more color. Okay, so the more color, what is happening here, suppose I want to choose this one, the yellow color. Okay, or the shade of this one, little light yellow, and clicking on OK. Fine. So then what will happen, I am just keeping close this one out here. Okay, I am sorry, that has not been taken effect. Just a minute, there is something wrong actually. That is the thing. So I am going with the color. Okay, this is the color, and then we need to apply over here, then only the application will take place. All right, so this is so just I'll take a bright color, then you can understand easily. So take the green out here. Okay, and then choose apply to all. Okay, so what will happen, the solid fill actually has been chosen for this, and actually the thing is that gradient fill also has been chosen for this. Okay, so that is the thing. So now what is happening here, this particular thing, if I want to change the background, so I can go to the hide background graphics also can be given. Okay, and this is the background also, this is the tab from where this is the launcher actually you can say, and you can select the transparency is 100%. That's why transparency you have to make less, then only it will be appearing. So if you are keeping the transparency 10%, in that case it will look white only, even if you have changed the background. That is very, very important. So what could you do, you just do these things, then this can be viewed. So once more, just I am pressing another file I have entered, then background styles I am going. So from where I have gone, design, then background styles, then format background, or you can choose from here directly. So the background will be displayed in this way. But here in this case, what will happen, everywhere the thing has been changes has been taken place, and then background styles, then format background. Okay, format background, and then if you want to go for the solid fill, you can go for the solid fill. You can go for the color also. Okay, you can go for the color. Okay, more colors also is there. Okay, and you can, if you want to choose any other color, you can choose it, click on OK, and then choose apply. Okay, and then close it. All right, so the thing is that one thing you need to remember, that if you are keeping the transparency level out here the maximum, then it will be fader like this. So that is the one for inserting background color of a slide. All right. Now students, we will just see the steps to do the to carry out setting image as watermark. Okay, how? Because watermark, you know, is what? Watermark in a presentation software is an extremely faded image. Okay, just now you have seen the transparency level. In the same way we do. So for this, what I am doing, I am just taking one more this thing. So what I will do, I will just go to the resetting background, the format background over here. I will just reset the background. Okay. This particular solid fill is not there, then I will just reset the background. So it will be closing over here. Okay. So or you can choose that, you can open a new presentation from here. Okay, and you can choose a blank layout from here. So that is the thing. So now watermark is the one when the PowerPoint presentation is posted online, a watermark prevents others from copying the slides, and it is actually is a presentation in a presentation software is the extremely faded image which can be used as a background for a slide also. That is there. So first for that, what I am doing, I am just inserting a word art over here. Okay, something like that. Okay, say it is I am taking as TIGPS Siliguri, Siliguri. This one I am just adding over here. Now what could I do is that for format background dialog box, click the picture or texture fill radio button. So what I will do, design, and then I will go to the background styles and format background, and then what I need to select picture or texture fill. Okay, fine. So this is the picture or texture fill. You can click onto the file if you want to insert the file from any outside from any outside source. You can click on over there. So the place will open for you. Okay. So the place will open for you. Okay. This is the insert picture. So you can give the sample pictures out here. So you can have the many pictures over here. So just I am taking this one and I am just clicking on insert. All right. So what is happening? This particular picture has been inserted. All right. Now the thing is that what could you do, that we have to do the this thing, what you call the watermark actually. So what could you do now? This particular things when you have added, okay, when you have added, this file has been inserted by the file menu, okay, like this. Okay, so you have chosen like this. This also you can use the insert also over here, and what could you do? You can gradually you can increase the transparency level over here. Okay. So the transparency level, you see the there will be a fading effect will take place. All right. So you see, so now I am doing this one. Okay, when I am taking this one, you see it has become entirely white. Now it is no longer over there. Okay, now you just pull it back. So you will see slowly it will be fading effect will disappear as the transparency level will decrease. When the transparency level will increase, in that case what will happen, fading effect also will increase. Okay. So if you are keeping it in this way, it is quite appropriate. So now you can do it, apply to all. So whenever you are opening the slides, this particular image can be viewed as a watermark. So in this way you will be able to insert one watermark. So now what is happening, if you are closing this one, you can see the slides with a watermark. Suppose now next I am entering a new slides, inserting a new slide by right clicking on it and then clicking on new slide. So the same thing will take place. See, this has come over here as a watermark. So once more I am just showing you. Okay, so I am just opening a new presentation over here. So what could you do? Just do a preview over here, blank, and then we are going to the design, then we are going to the background styles, then format background, then you have to select the picture or texture fill, then go to the file. Okay, after going to the file, you have been taken to the pictures, any picture from here you can choose. Okay, over here say I am choosing this picture and then inserting this one. So once the insertion will be completed, then I have to increase this transparency level. Okay. So when the transparency level you are increasing, the picture will be gradually be faded and finally it will be wherever is your desire, you keep over there only. So it can be viewed easily. So after that, if you whatever you will type or write on it, it will be in the background, and in the front side what will happen, whatever insert, whatever shape or whatever things you will insert, that will remain. Suppose you want to enter this shape, you can shape it in this way. All right. So this particular shape will remain, whereas this will be the background. So this is what actually the watermark says. So what is watermark? Once again, watermark in a presentation software is an extremely faded image which can be used as a background for a slide. This is the definition. And when the PowerPoint presentation is posted online, a watermark prevents others from copying the slides. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so that is why sometimes we put the watermark into our slides. All right. So that is the these are the practical steps have been defined to you. Can we carry out the practical? Okay. Thank you.